Exercise 6.2, Problem 9, Division 1, Discussion. Problem. In the figure, DE is parallel to BC and AD by BD equal to 3 by 5. Calculate the area of triangle ADE divided by triangle ABC. So, DE is parallel to to BC, right? And AD by BD equal to 3 by 5. And we are asked to find the area of this triangle ADE and triangle AB and C. Okay, so this is the problem. So let's mark this is given here, and DE is parallel to BC is given, and we are asked to calculate the ratio of the triangles. So one look at it, we have to prove that these two triangles, the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, are similar to each other, and it can be easily shown using AAA criteria because this line DE is parallel to BC. Once you show that the smaller triangle AD is similar to the bigger triangle ABC, then you know the property of similar triangles, that the ratio of the areas of similar triangles is the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That is, area of triangle ADE divided by triangle ABC equal to the similar sides are AD by AB the whole square. Okay, so broadly keep this in mind. So we will have to show that these two triangles are similar to each other. Then only we will be able to calculate using the similar triangle properties this ratio. Okay, and to show that they are similar, we need to have these two lines are parallel, and it's already given. Okay, so broadly keep in mind that this is how it needs to be worked out. Let's discuss as we go forward. So what is given? DE is parallel to BC and AD by BD equal to 3 by 5. AD by BD equal to 3 by 5. Right. We are asked to find the ratio of these two triangles, ADE and ABC. Okay. So for similar triangles, ratio of area of triangles equal to ratio of corresponding sides square. That is, area of triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle ABC equal to length of one side of triangle ADE. Any side, you can take AD or DE or AE, but only thing is that divided by corresponding side. If you take DE, you have to take BC. If you take AD, you have to take AB, right? So length of one side of ADE divided by length of corresponding side of triangle ABC and the square of it. So this is the formula. Now if you look at it, this is what we want to calculate, right? You know length of one side of ADE, and you can find the length of the corresponding side of ABC, that is you know AD and you know BD. From this you can find AB also. AB is AD plus BD. So AD and AB are both known. So once this is known, the right hand side is known, and then the left hand side can be calculated. But before that, we have to show that these two triangles are similar. So the step 1 is to show triangle ABE, sorry, it's ADE, it's not triangle ABC, sorry, ABC, it's a mistake here. Okay, please correct it, I'll change it later. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, that is, these two triangles, the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle, are similar to each other. This is the first step you'll have to do. Once it is shown, then you know, and then next we have to calculate we have AD by DB equal to 3 by 5, but we want to have AD by AB, because then only you will be able to get the that is the ratio of the corresponding sides, right? For these two triangles, what are the corresponding sides? AD and AB. Now your question might come, why not take DE and BC, or why not we take AE and AC? We cannot take all those things basically because that is not given here. What is given is only AD and BD. The ratio of AD and BD only is given. So we have to stick on to this side of the triangle only. Okay. But we want the corresponding sides of the two triangles. Now the first step is already done, which means these two triangles are similar. That is triangle ADE and ABC, right? Now we'll have to take the ratio of the corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are AD and AB, right? So we need to calculate AD by AB. And how do you calculate AD by AB? there is a compounder rule which I'll explain later. From this value you can calculate AD by AB using compounder rule. This is given and this is what we want. Using compounder rule we can find AD by AB. Now what happens? Next step. So in this formula, this is what we want to calculate. This is length of one side of triangle ADE divided length of corresponding side of triangle ABC. That is AD by AB the whole square. Correct? AD by AB the whole square. In the step 2 we have already calculated AD by AB. So using that value you will be able to calculate the right hand side. Once the right hand side is done, you are getting the value of the left hand side which is required in the problem to solve. You got it? So first step is to prove these triangles, the smaller triangle ADE and the bigger triangle ABC are similar. Once that is done, then you use compounder rule and calculate AD by AB. Okay, because we have what is given is AD by BD, but we want AD by AB, the ratio of corresponding sides. Then once that is done, use the formula of similar triangle or the property of similar triangles. Area of the similar triangles, the ratio of the area of similar triangles equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Use that and get the value of the areas ratio. Okay, so what I suggest is pause the video here and try to do this problem on your own and try to come, and after doing, come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, solution. Again, the same mistake here. This is triangle ABC, right? It is not ABE, right? It's a, please correct it. Now, the in these two triangles, how can you show it is similar? Triangle A is common. Then DE is parallel to BC, which means this angle, okay, and this angle. That is angle ADE and angle ABC are equal. Now, take this smaller triangle AD and bigger triangle. Angle A is common and another angle is also equal. So, which means by AAA property, then these two triangles are similar. Okay, that is angle ADE equal to angle ABC. This is corresponding angles. Then by AAA similarity, ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, so now you've got the two triangles are similar. That is first step is done. The second step, you know, area of the triangle for similar triangles, one of the properties, area of their the ratio of their areas, that is area of triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle ABC is the corresponding sides, ratio of the corresponding squares, and square it. So AD by AB equal to, square, right? This is a property of similar triangles. Now, do we have AD by AB? No, we don't have. What do we have? We have AD by BD given in the problem here. And we have to convert this. So, AD by AD plus BD, this is compounder rule, equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 5. The numerator is added in the denominator. Okay, so AD by AD plus BD. The AD by AD plus BD will be similarly do on the right hand side. 3 divided by 3 plus 5 will be, both will be equal. That is known as compounder rule, which I'll show you by an example here. So, you will get AD, and what is AD plus BD? AD plus BD is nothing but AB, right? So, AD by AB equal to 3 by 8, and that is what you want to prove, right? So, this area, the ratio of the areas, that is area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC equal to AD by AB the whole square, that is 3 by 8 the whole square, that is 9 by 64. So, these two, the ratio of the two triangles, ratio of the areas of the two triangles is 9 by 64. Okay. So, let me repeat. So, first step, you have to show these two triangles are similar. That is the smaller triangle and the bigger triangle. And you know angle A is common. Then for these two triangles, right? And you know DE is parallel to BC. So, which means this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding sides. So, now what happens? Two angles, this angle and this angle for triangle ADE, and this angle of triangle ABC are equal. So, then by AAA similarity, both the triangles are similar. Once that is known, you know the area of the ratio of the areas of this of the triangles is the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So, that is what you are doing it here. Okay. Now, let's come to compounder rule. Let's take one example. Half equal to 2 by 4. Am I right? because 2 when you divide both 2 and in the numerator denominator, you will get the same half. So I am writing half is equal to 2 by 4, which is true. Now do the compounder divider. 1 divided by 1 plus 2 equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 4. See what happens. 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6, which again both are equal. Right? So that's a compounder rule. So that's the principle which is used here. So AD by BD equal to AD by AD plus BD, but apply the same rule on the right hand side also. So 3 divided by 3 plus 5. Okay. So I hope I made this problem clear. If not, please go through one more time and you will get it clear. Thanks for watching this video.